Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? So, as you already read the title, the plan is to go to JC Road. So one of my friend, nice friend, he was a store itself, but he became a nice friend of mine. So we are going there to do the installation of the top box. So I wanted a couple of top box. I'll go and inquire. I made up my mind on the LS2 top box, but it's just that I might have to reconfirm and see that and then fit it. Last time when I went for a different store, it was HDRZ mod. So there what happened, they did not have the right frame for putting the top box, which means the box that is going to hold right, the saddle stay, not the saddle stay, but the top box one. So the one that they shared wasn't that great quality, and it did not have the right protection. So I decided to go to JC Road, and I called my friend. So he said he has a stock, and in fact he gave me a better deal as well. So price way different from the price that guy offered. So I think it's a better deal. So I'm heading there to that JC Road, same place where I got all my mods of my motorcycle done. It is called Moto World, the store name. And we are also planning a short trip as well, coming very fast. And we are heading towards a different place. Wait for it, stay tuned. That's one of the reasons I thought of going to JC Road and thought of getting all things installed, so that I can make sure that everything falls in place. And also apart from that, the other thing is I also wanted a few other things. One, a nice visor for my helmet. For this one Access helmet, lately I've not been using at all. I've been only using AGV because the helmet is slightly looser. So I'm gonna get that little bit of bungee cords I need. Not for me, one of my friend also is coming with me, so he doesn't have a bungee. So just to keep it as a backup, I'm taking that as well. And then eventually I need rain cover as well. I have for the upper body, I don't have for the lower body. So I'll try to find, because the places that we visit or this part of the climate in India is usually rainy, right? So I want to make sure that I cover up every single thing as much as possible. And stay tuned. So we'll go there, and I'll go ahead and check, and then we'll get things from there, and I'll see you in the store in JC Road. So spare me some time. All right, it is showing about 29 minutes, but I should be able to reach by less than 30 minutes. Yeah, so let's go there and get things sorted. So this is the shop. We'll go ahead and do the installing and whatever is required. So the box comes up with these many nuts that goes to fit the rack, and 2 reflectors, and this is the keys. So let's go ahead and install this now. So this is how we fit in stuff. So this is the stuff, and then we're gonna keep the rack that comes up in the box, and then he's gonna use the bolts to install this now.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa.